Dr. Joseph Ladipo and Governor Ron DeSantis. My name is Jim Gale, and I'm here in St. Cloud, Florida, at our completely off-grid community called Galt's Landing, where we've taken this, what was a bed of Florida sugar sand. There was no life here, no plants here. And in 2 years, we've transformed this area into a thriving, low-maintenance food forest. You know as well as everybody that the systems that uphold our society are being collapsed. You know that we are at war, and you know that an army fights on its stomach. Well, the biggest problem facing Floridians in the very near future is the food supply chain. And we have the solutions. Let's create a decentralized food supply chain. We know exactly how to do this. With your resources and your leadership, combined with our Council of 12, our Earth Council, our strategy, and our tactics, we can rapidly create a decentralized food supply chain so everybody in Florida eats. That's job one. Please get a hold of me at your earliest convenience. Time is of the essence.